Okay, so this is actually really cool. What's going on here? And this is gonna give you a really nice trick to remember when you're multiplying by 0.1. So if we have 4.18 times 0.1, it's like when you multiply by 10, you know, you move the decimal to the right, right? Well, when you multiply by 0.1 or 0.01, you're moving the decimal to the other side, but you look how far behind the decimal is the 1. Well, it's only one spot. So if we multiply it, we move the decimal one spot to the left and you get 0.418. You always want that 0, so we'll put it. This isn't wrong, by the way. You can say this. It's just not it's not the correct syntax in a sense. Like, it's still the right number, but we like to have a 0 there. Just like when we state money, we say $2. You don't need these two zeros necessarily. If you just wrote 2, still the same thing, but we like that as a convention. Next we have 57.3 times 0.01. Now how many spaces back is the 1 here? It's 2 spaces. So when we multiply, we move the decimal spot once, twice. So the final answer is 0.573. Okay. Last one, 7.19 times 0.001 equals, how many places back is it? 1, 2, 3 places back. So we move the decimal once, twice, 3 times. But what goes in these spaces? You know, that's weird. How can we keep moving it? Well, we fill in these spaces with zeros, right? So our answer is 0.00719. 0.0071.